Frames Queen tutorials. Speaking of tutorials, before I get started, if you would like a tutorial on how I did this vision board / organizer for your desktop, let me know down in the comments and I will be sure to get a video up for you guys. But today, I was scrolling along doing some designs for my Etsy shop, and I saw that Canva has given us a new effect. So I said, that looks pretty cool. So I'm going to show you all one of the ways that I would use it. So Valentine's Day is coming up. So I think I'll just do a Valentine's Day design. I've got something in my head that will probably work. So let's get started. First, I'm going to get a frame. I want a circle frame, so I'm going to go to Elements, and I'm going to scroll down until I see frames, and I want this circle frame right here. That's going to come in handy. Next, I'm going to go up here in the search and type in buffalo plaid. Buffalo plaid is popular for everything, any season, any holiday. Buffalo plaid. It's pretty much like the zebra print of plaids or the leopard print of plaids. So let's find buffalo plaid. Anything? Yep. I want a smaller. There we go. I see one that looks pretty good. I do have Canva Pro. Hopefully this will. It's not gonna let me do it. Oh yes, it will. Okay, I'm going to show you all how to use these in your frames. See, they normally snap into the frame, but sometimes the elements will not snap into the frames. So what I do, I take this image that I want to use in the frame, and I'm going to save it. Save it as a transparent PNG. I'm going to download it to my computer. Once it downloads, I'm going to delete this one, and I'm going to drag the one I just saved back onto my screen. Now I can enlarge it, and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Now I'm going to try to snap it in there. What in the world? Okay, let me stretch it so it covers the entire circle. Okay, much better. Now we have our buffalo plaid circle. Now I'm going to get a heart. Go right back up here, type in heart. I want just a simple white heart. The black looks good, but I want it to be white, so I'm going to go up here, change the color to white. Okay, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. And I'm going to center it, put it in the middle. I think I need to do that with my circle as well. Put it in the middle. There we go. Okay, that looks pretty good. So now I want to use the new effect that Canva has given us. So I'm going to first type the letter T so that my text box will pop up. That's a shortcut. If you don't want to go clicking the text on the menu over here, just click the letter T and a text box will appear. Valentine's Day is close, like I said, so I am going to go with the love theme, and I'm going to type the word love in all caps. This This is in white, so I'm going to have to change it to black so we can see what we're working with. Okay. Now, I've got love, and then I just want the word love. Only the word love, so I'm gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I'm gonna type the word love again. And space, 10 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again. And let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that will be E. And that should be enough. Now you're wondering, what is this? This doesn't look like anything. Well, just wait. Now I'm going to click Effects. And I'm going to click Background. They have given us the ability to put a background, a solid background, behind our text. And I know you're wondering, like, this still doesn't look good. Just hold on. Hold on, let me work my magic. Okay, once we have background, I'm going to change the color, but I'm going to get this in position first. So now that we've hit background, I am going to go down and click curve. I want this to curve all around our circle. The way it looks now, I may be able to get in a few more loves. So I'm going to change the curve until it's making a complete circle. Yeah, I'm going to have to put some, there we go. Okay, yeah, I'm going to have to put some more spaces in between that. But look at that. You see where I'm going with this, right? I'm going to center it and put it in the middle. I think I'm going to okay, now I'm going to click on this again and space. I'm at the wrong one? Looks like it. Let's see. I'm just going to start this over. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Maybe I can only use love 3 times to make this fit. Yeah, I think that's what it's going to have to be. Let's change my curve. Come back to effects. And this is my curve. Yeah, there we go. Now I'm going to enlarge this so that it's going all the way around the heart. Don't worry, I'm going to change the size of everything so that it's not so big. I use the spread to make the background of our word love a little bit smaller. Now I can shrink it a little and then center it and put it in the middle. Still okay, that looks better. There we go. It's totally centered. We are not done because that yellow is, it's not cute. It's not cute at all. So I'm going to change it. Hold on. So we can see what I'm doing. I'm I'm going to put this background pink so y'all can see what I'm about to do. I'll put it at gray. Okay, I'm going to click on this, go back to effects. I'm going to change our background of the word love. I'm going to change it to white. And this looks kind of cute the way it is, but we're not done. We're not done. We're not done. I'm going to shrink it a little bit. I'm going to group it. And now I'm going to pull it down. I'm going to put it in the center. This is still looking kind of funky to me, so I'm going to go back to kind of turn this until, let me ungroup it. Okay. I'm going to click on it and turn it until love is like that. I like that better. With the text, I like the text pretty good, so I'm not going to change the text. This is just a tutorial. If you don't like the way this text looks, the font of love, right now I left it at this one here, Arimo. If you want to change it to something else, feel free. It's going to be your design. You do what you want the way you want to. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to leave it the way it is. Okay. I'm not done. Not done. So now I am going to show you all how I put borders on things. And if you're familiar with doing YouTube videos, you may know where I'm going. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to save it as a transparent PNG. Download it to my computer. Okay, now I'm going to make a new page and drag the one that I saved back here on my screen. Okay, now that it has been uploaded, I'm going to click on it and it's its own image now. So I'm going to click edit image and I'm going to go to shadows. I love to use the shadow effect. I use it on a lot of my designs, and if you subscribe to my channel, see how I threw that in there? Subscribe to my channel, I will show you how to use shadows for more than just shadows. So I click shadow, I click glow. Now I'm going to adjust my glow. I'm going to turn the blur all the way off. I'm going to turn the transparency all the way up, and it gives us a border. And you could leave the border there, or you could make it a little bit thicker. You can make it as thick as you want, all the way up. That's a little too intense for me, so I'm going to go back down a little bit more. There we go. And there we have it. I'm going to click apply and wait for it to take full effect. There we go. Now our design is pretty much done. Make it a little bit bigger. You can upload this for stickers. You can make this a PNG for t-shirt sublimation. Whatever you want to do. This is a cute little design. I'm going to show you how it would look on a shirt. Go here to where I do my thumbnails and my mock-up pictures for my Etsy shop. I'm going to show you all how I do that and how it would look on a t-shirt. I'm just going to use this t-shirt here that I already have uploaded. And I'm going to go back over here to this design. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it right here. Make it a little bit smaller so it can look a little realistic. If you hear snoring in the background, that is my nephew. I am a stay-at-home mom and a caregiver. So there's bound to be some background noise. There we go. That's how our design looks. That's how you can use the new background effect that Canva has given us. And I am loving Canva right now. I've been using Canva for years, but the new things that they keep pouring down on us is just amazing, and I can't wait to see what they have in store for us next. But this is going to end this tutorial. If you like my content, you want to see more, you have some ideas, subscribe to the King's Queen tutorials. I'm going to be giving you all a lot of content, so stay tuned, subscribe, like, share, tell a friend, tell a friend. We're doing some designing over here. We're trying to make this money. We're trying to do big things in 2022. So, till next time, peace.